Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. Suppose that you have a dataset of starting salaries and you find an average starting salary of 47,222 US dollar with a standard deviation of 6,528 for 22 observations. What is the standard error in here? So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have the formula. Standard error, we have about the standard deviation over the square root observation, and we just put the number in here. And we can find the answer. This is about 1,391.77, and this is the answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.